Hey folks, MACT here, and I'm working hard, as you can see. Jeff's laying down on the job, and I'm actually the one working. As you can see, Jeff volunteered to go and connect the drive shaft. 4 bolts with a electric ratchet, and we'll be done. We'll have the drive shaft hooked up, and then we'll work on getting the exhaust system hooked and bolted up, which will be simple. And then we'll go and work on the suspension and getting the axles in. This side will be more work than the other because we have to replace the LCA on it, and we got to figure out how to get that ball joint off of there. But we'll get it off. I have faith. But anyway, we have gotten, as you can see, everything hooked up. This next step would be the AC. We'll put a vacuum pump on the AC system, get that all vacuumed out and ready to recharge. And then once we get this thing back on its wheels, that way we can assuredly then get it ready to start, because then we'll have almost everything connected. But today has been a big day for us. Got all the bits and pieces going together. Just got to put a coolant bottle in here, and then a battery system has to go in, and we're working on some connectors.
Reverse. Neutral, right?
I guess. Jeff apparently needs to turn the drive shaft. So anyway, he's trying to figure out what gear we're in. He said he had it in neutral, but apparently not. But he had it in park, that's right. So anyway, I hooked it up and put it in park. That's what it was. But we got everything cleaned up, got everything going. So there isn't that much left to do. We got the battery box, air cleaner to put in here, and the air intake and everything else. But there's not that much more that we got to do to this. So we're working on it. We'll get it figured out and get it all hooked up. But got a little bit of the wiring harness over here to work on. And then that's it. Suspension goes in, axles, and off we go. So hope you all like what we're doing. There's going to be more of this. And I just got to keep the whip on Jeff here. Can't let him slow down any. Did you get them lined up?
Yeah.
All right. It's amazing what happens when you put it in neutral. But as you can see, we got a lot of jack stands under there. And if it does fall on Jeff, I know how to call 911. So, that's how it works. We could have got Antonio here. We could have put him under there as a cushion. Be like an airbag system going on under there. Poor Antonio. I think he's taking a nap. I'm picking on him and he ain't even here. But I hope you all have fun following this Ford Explorer thing. I'm really enjoying the Ford Explorer rebuild. This has been fun. I mentioned something earlier to Jeff that maybe I bought a Ford Explorer, I don't know if I'd done the edges. But my heart's with the edge, because every time I talk about an Explorer or anything like that, I always mention edge. So the edge is ingrained in my DNA. So even Jeff slips up, don't you, Jeff?
Yeah.
Every once in a while he says edge too. So it's all in us, and we're definitely all in on the edges. But tell you what, working on the edges definitely helped us with the Explorers. It has definitely made these jobs easier to work on them. And the EcoBoost is going to be a whole nother deal for me. And I look forward to it. I already did the oil change on the EcoBoost. So I got transmission, coolant, all sorts of stuff to do on the EcoBoost yet. But hey, so we're having a good time, and I hope you guys enjoy this series that we're doing for this, because this is not the end of it for MACT Garage. Because guess what? Jeff told me that we need to work on something, so I'm going to go out here and show you guys what we got. But like, here, a little bit of car porn for you all right here. I know you guys like looking at this stuff, so yeah. Toyota Camry, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That is the most expensive car in here. Right, Jeff?
What's that?
That Toyota Camry is the most expensive car in here.
Yeah.
But folks, this is the next project, and I kid you not, this will be another project right here. I got some Mercedes work to do. That's right, this is a Mercedes, and this is what I'll be working on. So if you guys like to see some little smart car stuff besides Ford Explorer Sport, yeah buddy, God, I love this thing. I love it. A little bit of makeshift work on this. We had to glue it. As you can see, that RTV all the way around it, it actually burst the resonator on there. So I had to RTV it because it blew it out. Don't know what happened, but you know, we're not going to buy a new part for it, so we just decided to glue it and let it dry and put it back together. This is not a complete ground up rebuild. This is a rebuild for Misty to get her car running. And then of course there's my Sport. Oh God, I love that thing. You guys have no clue how much I love this Sport. It's I'm ready on race day with this thing. You have no idea how much I like it, but you'll start seeing more of this in the future too. Guarantee it. Guarantee you'll be seeing more of this, because I got tricks up my sleeve. Might be more than one. You never know. Might be more than one. Anyway, post your questions down below if you got questions about what I'm doing. There's another Ford Edge. Ain't even related to us. The college is right back here. So, you know, whoever it is, some college student parked their Edge right there. But oh yeah, it's hot out here today. Definitely hot. So, but anyway, folks, I'm gonna let you go, and you guys could definitely pop your questions in there on this video, whatever you want to do, and I'll try to get to them. But we're currently just trying to get this Ford Explorer running. So I'll talk to y'all later. Take it easy.